Welcome to Naturoville Wellness Center. We provide a holistic approach to managing joint pain and arthritis by combining the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with the healing power of naturopathy and yoga. Ayurveda targets the root cause of joint pain and arthritis by balancing the body's doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, through personalized herbal remedies, anti-inflammatory oils, and detox therapies. We reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and promote joint health. Naturopathy supports this process by focusing on natural, non-invasive treatments like hydrotherapy and nutritional guidance to restore the body's natural healing mechanisms. Yoga plays a vital role in pain relief by improving flexibility, strengthening muscles around the joints, and promoting relaxation. Gentle yoga postures, customized to your condition, help reduce stiffness and enhance mobility, while breathing exercises ease stress and tension, contributing to overall well-being. At Naturoville, we blend Ayurveda, naturopathy, and yoga to create personalized joint pain and arthritis treatment plans. This integrated approach not only alleviates symptoms, but also supports long-term joint health and vitality. Contact us for more information.